that being a first generation lawyer also, you must have gone through these kind of options, that what your options will be after law school. So what are the options that are available for law students after their law graduation?
See, the most popular and most wide option is practice. So
Practice.
just
Yeah.
pass your LLB, go
Yes.
registered yourself with Bar Council and start your practice.
Mm-hmm.
Second one, if you want to, you want to judge, you don't want to practice.
Mm-hmm.
So the second option, the most popular is judiciary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can go for law officer. Then
Mm-hmm.
like law officer, like public prosecutor,
Mm-hmm.
prosecution officer, and simply law officer. A number
Mm-hmm.
of states, they recruit law officers.
Mm-hmm.
So and then comes in-house counsel. Like you can opt for any company,
Mm-hmm.
like you can be a part of their legal department where they advise. You may get a chance to appear on behalf of the company, or you may just work as
Be
an
at the
in-house,
back.
and you
Yeah.
just, yes,
Mm-hmm.
you will work back end.
Mm-hmm.
So you will advise the company, you will ensure the compliance on behalf of the company, you will represent the company,
Mm-hmm.
as a law officer.
Mm-hmm.
Then comes the advisory firm, like
Mm-hmm.
KPMG,
Mm-hmm.
like audit firms, Deloitte.
Mm-hmm.
So you can go for these firms where you work as a compliance officer, you work as an
Mm-hmm.
analyst.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't do practice, but you practice law in house. Like you advise
Mm-hmm.
them, you have your international clients, and
Mm-hmm.
you help them to comply with Indian laws. So it's
Mm-hmm.
another good option. There you get a good
Mm-hmm.
package, you get a good
Mm-hmm.
salary, and you get a
Mm-hmm.
very competitive and very good environment also. And then
Mm-hmm.
another option which people must be aware now, but at when I was in graduation, we were not
Mm-hmm.
actually.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I was not.
Mm-hmm.
Is another is the forces, like in
Mm-hmm.
army, in navy.
Mm-hmm.
I myself
Mm-hmm.
appeared twice for the army interview, though I
Mm-hmm.
didn't get through. So they have the separate department called Judge Advocate General,
Mm-hmm.
JAG. And
That. Mm-hmm.
yeah, so they have age limit, I guess. If i if
28.
i
28.
correct, 27 or 28.
28. Yeah.
So you can go for JAG department,
Mm-hmm.
where you have to appear for SSB. You can,
Mm-hmm.
clear the SSB. The toughest interview, I would say, because I didn't get through.
Mm-hmm.
So army has this department, navy this has this department, coastal guards has this department, and air force
Mm-hmm.
has this department. So
Mm-hmm.
all the branches of forces, they have this JAG thing.
That. Yeah.
And then
Mm-hmm.
you can go for law researcher as well, if you are good
Mm-hmm.
into research, if you are so
Mm-hmm.
handy with this online database. So you can
Mm-hmm.
go for law research. You can write
Mm-hmm.
paper, you can write books, you can write articles,
Mm-hmm.
you can help writers as well. So another option is law researcher. Then
Mm-hmm.
you can opt for teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you want to teach.
Sorry, it just.
So
Mm-hmm.
teacher is another option.
Mm-hmm.
So teacher is another option. Then comes, I came to know about this option when I met one of my friend in High Court.
Mm-hmm.
Then there is a field, or there is a work like journalist, law journalist.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So if you have come into this profession mistakenly, and you are thinking that no, I should have done journalism, then you
Yeah.
can still opt for the journalism in this law field.
Journalism. Yeah.
You can go for law journalist. So what they do, I met one of my friend. He was noting, he was making notes of proceedings. So I asked him that,
Mm-hmm.
what are you doing? So he told me that I am
Mm-hmm.
with some, law database, online database. What they do, they update people with the, like we have seen live law, bar and
Yeah.
bench.
Mm-hmm.
So what they do, they report the latest judgment. So
Okay.
you have to appear in the court, not as a lawyer, but yes,
Mm-hmm.
you have to be present in the court. You have to hear the proceedings. You have to,
Proceedings, yeah.
you
Take
know,
notes.
track, have a check. You have to have a track on the cases, that
Mm-hmm.
what is going on, what is the latest update. So you
Mm-hmm.
report. So you have, if you have a writing skill, you have a communication skill, so
Mm-hmm.
you can still be a journalist.
Yeah.
So these are the, you know,